sir, excuse me. Sir, may I ask a question? May I ask a question? By the way, I lose my way. Cristina Lamora Primavera, honesto pasar por aquí otra vez.
No sé, I can understand you. Speak Bisaya, cause
Bisaya. Sir. Bisaya. Sir.
By the way, hablo un poco por favor de español. I lose my way. I only vacation here. Español. Nice meeting you. Buenos días. I'm español. Yeah. By the way, podemos discutir esto en este momento? Podemos?
you speak English, sir? Cause I understand Spanish.
Yeah, I speak English a little, okay? So,
Si, sir.
what is this place?
Pardo, kasanga, sir.
Pardo. By the way, I want to go to Pardo Public Market. Where?
Dudu. Good dear.
Pablo Public Market.
I ask you.
Sir, can you please come here?
Yeah, you can go back, turn around, and you can turn left.
Yeah, thank you very much. You're so very helpful, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is your name?
No problem. I'm JB Pardillo.
Okay.
Ano sa'yo?
By the way, I'm Espanol. Yeah, I'm Espanol from Mexican Spanish. Because so very helpful, I have something for you, okay? Okay. Can I give you a tip? Can I give a tip? Because you're so very helpful.
Wala may kasabot, sir. Kay Bisaya may dire.
No, I give you money. What do you do here? Also, you chill.
Only one left.
Yeah, okay. Because you're so very kind, this is for you, huh? Okay. So, share to others, okay? Okay. That's for your tip. So, buadto na lang ko, di lang ko magdugay, ha? Buadto na lang ko, di lang ko magdugay, ha?
Saya mana ya?
Vlog ito. Vlog.
Ikaw na ito ini. Siya lang itong camera.
Ato kong Brazil nga.
Ako.
Spanyol nga. Ate ni mo.
Salamat kayo, vlog rin ako niya. Salamat kayo. Tagaan, balik niya ako.
Ate ni mo sir.
Shout out tayo, shout out.
Nakakita rin mo sa Facebook.
Shout out eh.
Shoutout ko sa mga SRM rarist sa Mambaling.
Okay, shout out.
Shoutout kasi mga Togama Pisa, Lorica Chapter.
Okay.
Shoutout taga Compostela tanan.
Okay.
Shoutout Virgil, shoutout. Ikaw na sir.
Okay. Okay, salamat ha. So, di lang ako magdugay at ito na ko ha.
Sir, may sticker sir.
Oh, balik ko ha.